Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. English to Pashto learning. نن مې ستاسو د پاره راوړي دي انګلش شارټ کټس. راځئ چې د تاسو سره یې شریک کړم. I am 24 years old. You are such a sweetheart. He's so handsome. She's very beautiful. They're such cute kittens. That's awesome. There's the hotel we were looking for. What's the matter? Where's my car? Who's there? Who are the people at the next table? They aren't coming next week. Isn't she isn't listening to you? Weren't they weren't invited to the party? Wasn't I wasn't joking when I said that. Doesn't he doesn't play the cricket? Don't I don't like rice. Needn't you needn't worry about that. Didn't I didn't know that. Going to Ghana. What are you gonna do? I need to do it. Gotta I have gotta go. Come on. Oh, come on. You don't really mean that. Wanna. Do you wanna go now? What are you doing? Kinda. I think it's kinda funny. Don't know. I don't know what to do. They had that better be here on time. We had wait better be more careful in the future. Who'd she wondered who'd send her the mysterious email. Let's go out to dinner. Let me guess. You don't do it. Give me. Can you give me a hand? Tell him the truth. Isn't it in it? It's wrong in it. Wanna. Do you wanna go now? There's been entirely too much sight on the subject. What's? They want a list of what's been stolen. Who's been chosen? Do you know? Can't. I can't understand you. Couldn't. He couldn't get his shoes on. Won't. I won't be able to attend the conference. He'll. I am sure he'll help you if he can. She will. She'll be there tomorrow. I am sure. They will. They'll. I hope they'll come to my party. I'd like a cup of coffee. We've. It's been over a year since we've done that. Who? You asked so far. He has worked here for 5 years. She's been to Japan twice. We'd be grateful for an answer. I've been waiting an hour already. You've got to start working harder. They've got paint all over the carpet. I'd just got in the bath when the phone rang. It happened just after you'd left me room. He had been alone for a long time. She'd already left.